Shingayana Shantan, Shakamu, Shingwana Itagan, Shingwana Impepu, Atagani, Hampepu, Viamita Matimi Akashisak. Okay, guys, let's not joke about these things. I'm not happy about what's happening in Team-Shirimani. This is my personal feeling right now. Hello everybody, welcome back to another episode of Nkanelo Wa Gingirikani. My name is Nkanelo Wa Gingirikani. Thank you very much for joining me on Nkanelo Wa Gingirikani. Yeah. Guys, whatever is happening at TS, I'm not happy about it. I'm really not happy about it. I just want to put a disclaimer, otherwise, look video because it's going to be a long night. It's going to be a long day. Okay, what's happening to TS, guys? What is happening to Team-Shirimani? Okay, Team-Shirimani. So for those who don't know what's happening, for those who have actually just joined us in the channel, well, when we talk about Team-Shirimani, we're talking about a sort of a group of musicians that have teamed together on the side. There's also other teams. There's Team G1, there is Team Shinyori, there's Team BMQ, there's all these other teams, Team Maberani, there's so many teams. There's Team Rangari, I'm not sure. But guys, there's so many teams. Just like you have in Maskandi, there's a Team Mtandeni, there's a Team Kuzani, there's so many teams. What is the reason? TS. What if the awards are actually the main cause? The fact that probably Mr. Post didn't share the money with the rest of the team. Probably Mr. Post didn't share the money with the rest of the other producers, because I know there's a producer award that was specifically saying it's the producer, best producer of the year. Did he share money with the other producers that he worked with? Because Akungarian and said Akuri Mr. Post, Akuri Dr. Team-Shirimani, Akuri Prince Rangani, and then Akuri na Mambaulela. Mambaulela xifana xikwatengula xi nga kona ku va xi kuma mali, and maybe that is the reason why there is this thing leswi nga ku humeleleni right now. That's the reason number one. And then reason number two, and then maybe before we go to reason number two, the question I have is, if we're in a football team, right, and I am the top goal scorer, and I'm the man of the match and player of the tournament or top goal scorer and everything, do I take my award and my money, my share? So do I take my money that I won and share it with the rest of the team? That's the question. Probably the other producers felt like they're sidelined. They felt like maybe they didn't get their share that they probably felt they deserve. We don't know. We are just asking the question, what if that is the reason? But if I'm the top goal scorer or a player of the tournament, do I share the money with the rest of the team? I'm not sure about that. But in musical sense, in musical terms, usually there's supposed to be agreements, and I feel like that's where the shortfalls are. Probably logo kunat agreement to kare kuri, okay, logo wina la. Mina takuma 10%, we takuma 10%. Sha all over kuban bakota divide the land. But if there's no agreement in place, the person who won is not bound to share. Angotitwela yena mwinyi kuwa ashera na the other producers. If that is the case, we are not sure. We are just speculating. If that's the case, but if it's not the case, then there must be another reason, and that's why we need to delve into reason number two, because I saw a video ya Mr. Post loko ka advertiser ntirho lowa a wu ri kona le ka Thomo le ku nga va na pusha na staging le. I'm not even gonna talk about that one because you guys know about that one. You know what happened there. A ni nge zi ni swi tsakasela leswiyani. And I feel like Mr. Post i tikomba engari i la ku humesa album hi December. Mr. Post i la ku humesa album hi December, like next month. And album leyi yi tikomba engari a endliwangi kona ka TS. That is my suspicion. Swi tikomba onge, it looks like Mr. Post has an album that he's made, that is there, that is waiting to be released, and a endliwangi ka TS. And as you guys know, every year in December ka TS ku humesa Dr. Shirimani. After everybody has done whatever they have done, ku humesa Dr. Shirimani. Nkarhi wa Dr. Shirimani a ni ti nyika na space hi March ku humesa Mr. Post, then a xikarhi ka lembenyana ku na Mafamba, then ku na KK, ku na va Samson, va Dlanyoka and all those guys. Then ku va na Prince Rangani, you know, then ku va na Dr. Shirimani in December. So I feel like Mr. Post, this is reason number 2 that I'm thinking. We are just speculating. What if this is the reason? Engakuma ku Mr. Post ila ku humesa album in December ku a kota ku phikizana kahle na Benny Mahengani. Ti famba so in December. I actually once said this, Nkanelo Wa Gingirikani, it will be interesting to have Mr. Post humesa album in December, you know, at Peter Sona Benny Mahengani. What if that's the reason Mr. Post ila ku humesa album in December le ko nga endla ngeka TS le a nga endla outside, and kuna studios so tala, kuna va Mabevani, kuna va you know Ngalas, kuna va Swingerengere. I used to go studio leswi anga xi tirhisa hi xini ka leswiwa hinkwaswo. We don't know if that is the reason, and if that is the case ku impela album yi kona na. Mara suspicion yi kona ku ri ngari kuna album leyi la ku huma. Ni twile ka recording ya yena loko ka promoter Shaka Thomo ku na tinsimu leti ta album leyi yintshwa ti ta performiwa. I was like, which album leti yintshwa, because it's already released already. So ni go, so like maybe it enter album outside, because I don't think Dr. Shirimani will allow that to happen. I humesa during December because nkarhi wa Dr. Shirimani, and I feel like maybe it's their agreement. We don't know if there's an agreement or not. You know, those 2 reasons I feel like could be, maybe they are the reason. You know, what if these are the reason? The fact that Malia best producer aifikanga ka varhangani na va Mambaulele na va Dr. Shirimani, you know, and they feel like they deserve a share. And I feel like, honestly speaking, hi ku ya hi vumunhu hakanyingi swi kahle ku loko tirhi na vanhu I va cancer lana lana, mara loko nga na agreement in place as boy. That's why I feel like as boy, if there's no agreement, as boy. I don't think swa bowa ku va ku ri swilo leswi munhu a ti endlela ku hikuva a ti twela, you know, mara ani vanhu a hi fani. So, and I can't blame Mr. Post mina ku va maybe let's say himpela hi swona swa ku I kume mali ka swa Xitsonga Music Award, then he didn't share it with the other producers. I can't blame him, because if you look munhu endla album ya ka studio ne, then you pay the money, you've already paid, so whatever we win, it's mine. No, I'm not sure. No guys, but honestly speaking, jokes aside, if there's an award for best producer, I feel like they should share it among themselves. That's my feeling, if that's the case. But then if there's no agreement, as boy could share it, because the album is mine. It's my album. And Mali deposed your queen counted me now as the main artist. Kumbe Ashon, you guys will tell me down below. So I feel like those are the main reasons why Kubana Kukwetlemetan looking at TS right now, because short combat Mr. Post is out. ka TS. And I'm actually scared ku impela if Mr. Post impela isukini ka TS swipfula vangwa rikulu ngopfu ra Ben Mayengani ku ri project leyi va nga tshama va yi endla ya Limpopo Poison yi continue ya mahlweni. I have reasons why I feel like that can happen. I have lots of reasons that it can happen so easy ku Limpopo Poison ipuka. It will be more powerful. It will be Mr. Post. You know, I mean, Mr. Post did be in his last album. We all know that. Ndambi, I've seen one was scream. Even the previous album, I've seen Schnell. Mara, this kukwetla mbeta looking corner. If Mr. Post is leaving, he's opening a vangwa lera ringa tafka rifila e munhu wokar, and I feel like that person is Ben Mayengani, and I stand like good project there. Limpopo Poison he continue ya machine. So Sulagu Limpopo Poison could be coming back. I have reasons, and I'm gonna make a video about it. What are the reasons that I feel like Limpopo Poison is coming back? Legeremina, tell down below. Tell us what you think. Hinga holobi mwana madala. Just tell us what you think. Shinyanyani Santa Aye Takamu Chimanya Ichaka Chimanya Impepu Ha Hatakani Ha Pepu We are meeting Romati me Okay guys, thank you very much for joining me on Nkanelo Wa Gingirikani. Legeremina ekes dors tselekle nyora ndinganiwe. Salut, minga titimeli.